Are you still manually creating your Pinterest pin? Then let me show you the working of this amazing automation. So right here I'm on my WordPress account where I'm going to create a new post. So right here I'm going to create a post having this title that is 25 small living room ideas that can make any space feel bigger. And here I have provided the description and this is the image which I'm adding with this particular post. Now let me publish this post and here you can see that my post has been successfully published. So now let me show you the post which I have just created, and here you can see that this is the post which I have just added over my WordPress account. Now let's move on towards my Pinterest account to see the changes. So right here I'm on my Pinterest account which I'm going to just refresh, and here you can see that we are successfully receiving this image which I have just added over my WordPress post. And right here I'm getting the same title of the WordPress post which I have just added. So right here you can see that as I have created the WordPress post, that post is automatically added as a Pinterest pin over my Pinterest account. So now you can also create this automation and can integrate your business applications and can automate your all tasks. So for that you have to use an amazing application called as Pabbly Connect, by using which you can integrate varieties of application. So now let me show you how you can also create this automation, and for that you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by tapping its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards our workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as WordPress, as I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new post over my WordPress. So right here I have selected it, and now let's select the app event as new post published. Now let's click over this connect button, and now we have to add this webhook URL to our WordPress account so that we can get the response or can fetch the latest post published. And afterwards I'm going to automatically add that post to my Pinterest as a new pin. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my WordPress account, where on the sidebar we are getting this option for plugins, where you have to select this add plugin. And once you will land to the page of the add plugin, you have to search for the plugin that is WP Webhook. So now let me search for it, and right here we are getting this plugin which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to move towards the sidebar where you will be getting this option for settings, where you have to select this WP Webhooks again. And right here I'm on this page where you just have to select this send data, and once you will select it, you will be landed to this page where you have to select the trigger. So right here I'm going to select my trigger as post created, means my WordPress or this particular webhook URL should be initiated as soon as a post is created. And now in this particular trigger I'm going to add the webhook URL. So I have selected this button, and here I'm going to provide my webhook name as Pinterest webhook. Now let's add the webhook URL, and now let's click over this add for post create button, and here you can see that my webhook has been added successfully. And now we have to select three dots, and here we are getting this option for settings which you have to select, and here we have to select the trigger as post and the initial post status as published. And now we just have to save these settings. And right here the settings has been saved successfully, and here you can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So now let's create a WordPress post and provide the webhook response. So here I'm going to add a new post by simply selecting this add post button, and right here I'm on this page where I'm going to create a new post. So this is the title and the description which I have provided. Now I'm going to add an image to this post. So for that we just have to click over this set featured image. And right here I'm going to add this image to my post. So I have selected it. Now let's click over this set featured image. And here you can see that this image has been inserted with this particular post. Now let's publish this post by simply selecting this publish button. And here you can see that my post has been successfully published. So now let me show you the post which I have just created. And now we might have got the response over our Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, and right here you can see that we are successfully receiving this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields. So right here you can check out the URL of the image which we have added, and here you can see the URL of the post which I have just created, and here you can see the rest of the details such as the title of the post which I have made over my WordPress account. So now here we are having the data. Now we just have to create a Pinterest pin by using this post published in my WordPress. So here I'm going to search for my new application or my action application, that is going to be Pinterest. Now let's select the app event as create pin and click over this connect button, and right here we are on this connection page where for building a new connection you have to click over this button, and right here I'm going to allow the access as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And as I have provided the access, my connection has been built in and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the board where I want to add this image. So here I'm going to select it as digital marketing, and now it is asking me to enter the image URL. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect that is called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the image URL from the response which I'm receiving from my previous application that is called as WordPress. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from the response I'm going to map the image URL, and now let's map the title. So here I'm going to map the title of my WordPress post, and you can even provide the description as well. Now let's click over the save and send test request, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new WordPress blog or the post created. And here you can see that we are receiving this positive response. So now let's move on towards my Pinterest account where I'm going to refresh this page. And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this pin which I have just created over my WordPress account. And right here you can check out the same image which I have just added over my WordPress post, and here you can see the title of the WordPress post. So now you can see that we are successfully receiving this blog or this post which I have just added over my WordPress. So now you can also create this automation and can integrate your both application, that is WordPress and Pinterest, by using which you can automatically add your WordPress blog or the post as the new pin over the Pinterest. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.